Hello! So, welcome again. This is day 3 of talking to the camera while in public. So, nandito ulit tayo sa Oval and for my daily walk. No? And I don't know what to talk about. So, maybe we can have like a segment that I will call Realization at 40. Sige, yun na lang. Wow, marami pa segment. Wala kasi ako maisip since yun talaga nagre-revolve yung vlog ko sa pag-turn ko ng 40, experiencing life at 40, realizations nga, mga lessons na natutunan, experience. So, yeah, let's talk about one thing na natutunan ko when I turned 40 is that I think it should be normalized not to call everyone your friend. And we should learn how to categorize people in our life. Kasi I think that will save you from a lot of disappointment. Right? Kasi para sa akin, hindi dapat lahat ng tao pare-pareha sila ng bigat or parte sa life mo. No? And kasi yung iba dyan, dapat kakilala mo lang. You just share the same hobby. You do the same thing. Client, co-worker. No? I think hindi dapat lahat napapasok sa category na friends. Pwede dapat normal lang natawagin silang kakilala, kapitbahay, yung mga ganun. Kasi yung iba dyan, simpleng connections lang naman. Diba? Wala naman talagang nabuong connection na solid. Right? And I think madalas nagkakaroon ng problema is kapag yung mga taong hindi mo naman talaga dapat binibigyan ng access sa inner circle mo or sa life mo mismo. Yung doon talaga nagsisimula yan madalas right? We should actually know kung hanggang saan lang dapat ang mga tao, yung mga kakilala natin sa life natin. Diba? And I think it's maturing or wisdom that you know who pours into your life, who drains you, who are neutral, and yung mga hindi dapat parte talaga ng life mo. We should know that, right? And I think knowing that, or knowing how to categorize people and put them in the right places will actually save you from a lot of disappointment, will save your heart, and will maintain your peace. So yeah, that's one of my realization ngayong nag-40 ako na hindi naman talaga dapat lahat is kaibigan natin.